Reverend Chief Shri A. Naik Sir, Area General Manager, Rajmal Project, Eastern Coalfields Limited, and the Chairman of LMC DAV Public School, Urjanagar, Kota. I would also like to welcome esteemed guest of honor, Srimati Sangeeta Naik Ma'am, President, Satakshi Mahila Mandal, Rajmal Branch, ECL, Kota. I would also like to welcome Indrajit Kumar Sharma ji, Staff Officer Mining, S.K. Surakshit ji, Area Engineer, ENM, Manoj Inamul Tutu ji, Area HR Manager, Rajmal Area, Sanjeev Kumar ji, Manager Civil, Rajmal Area, P. Pandwar ji, Area Safety Officer, Sanjeev Kumar ji, Manager Civil, Rajmal Area, and distinguished dignitaries of ECL, management, HODs, and other members of the Satakshi Mahila Mandal, respected JCC members, union leaders, bank officials, press personalities, principals, doctors, staff members of the institution, parents, and my lovely students. At the very outset, let me accord a very warm welcome to all of you in this auspicious occasion of celebrating 77th year of independence, Republic Day, of the world's largest democratic republic, that is our Mother India. This red letter day holds immense importance in the hearts of every Indian as it marks the adoption of our constitution with effect from 26th January 1950, which resulted in the transformation of India into a sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic from the cruel clutches of our motherland. It redefines the spirit of freedom and hard-fought struggle for our independence with a solemn promise to work together as a united whole for the prosperity and the betterment of our motherland. Since then, India has been experiencing a remarkable transformation from a developing nation into the world's largest democracy, a global economic powerhouse, a premier IT hub, and a leader in digital innovation and space exploration. As we all know about, with a robust of 7.5% to 7.8% projected growth rate and the world's fastest growing major economy, our country is rapidly accelerating in infrastructure and technology, human capital development, environmental sustainability, space exploration, and significant industrial modernization to achieve the coveted status of a developed nation. As far as our DAV school is concerned, there is no doubt that under the insightful guidance, tremendous moral support, and benevolent patronage of the ECL management, our school has not only showcased brilliant academic results in the board examinations of 10 and 12, it has also accomplished laudable national recognition in the field of DAV National Sports Meet 2025-26 recently held in New Delhi. Our under-17 girls football team has created history in Jharkhand zone by winning gold medals and championship trophy. Again, Anisha Murmu of Standard 7B won the gold medal in under 14 triple jump competition in this sports meet. Lastly, Anushka Sri of Standard 11 Commerce bagged the bronze medal in under 17 girls taekwondo competition in the above sports meet. We are also rest assured that our students of 10 and 12 are going to produce brilliant academic results in the forthcoming CBSE board examinations 2026. Thus, our future goals and objectives are very clear. We want to shape up our children as excellent human beings who will undoubtedly make a positive difference in the society through their competence, consistency, compassion, and commitment. We are sincerely devoted and dedicated to foster a conducive culture of academic excellence events, a vibrant club of game of sports, and other co-curricular activities where each child is facilitated to grow intellectually, spiritually, socially, and emotionally, and encouraged to discover and use their unique gifts and talents for leading a life of purpose and impact. We stand positive and focused even in the midst of challenges and adversities to give our future generation a healthy, wealthy, prosperous and safe India, resulting out of economic prosperity, scientific temperament and rich socio-cultural heritage which our national heroes and freedom fighters had only dreamt of. So on this August occasion, let us take a pledge to be the responsible citizens by adhering to our constitution, by performing the fundamental duties, by uplifting the basic spirits of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity, and by assuring the dignity of individuals and unity in diversity as enshrined in our constitution. May this Republic Day inspire all of us to strive for greater excellence, uphold our democratic values, and work harder towards a brighter future of our motherland. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.